IQAir Atem. The IQAir Atem is a game changer for anyone who cares about the air they breathe. Weighing in at just about 3 kilos, this compact powerhouse boasts an impressive air cleaning capacity of up to 66 cubic meters per hour. It does all of this while operating in the background with a gentle whisper, with noise levels never exceeding 44 decibels. You'll hardly know it's there, silently working its magic to improve the air you breathe. The IQAir Atem efficiently tackles a range of pollutants, from soot and asphalt to tire particles and various other contaminants that contribute to the notorious PM2.5 particles. And you can control this air purification wizardry with your smartphone. Byton K-Byte. Imagine a collaboration between former Nissan and BMW employees. It's a testament to the best of both worlds coming together to create something truly exceptional. However, it's a bit of a bittersweet tale because the Byton K-Byte existed primarily as a collection of captivating concepts and prototypes. Despite this, it teased us with some incredibly intriguing features. Notably, it was equipped with technology aimed at achieving Level 5 autonomy, a testament to its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of self-driving cars. And it didn't stop there. The Byton K-Byte came armed with a minimum of 4 lidars, including 2 that elegantly protruded from the fender, adding to its futuristic appeal. But let's talk performance. This electric marvel promised an outstanding range of approximately 490 kilometers on a single charge. And for those who crave speed, the all-wheel drive version boasted a powerful 470 horsepower engine, propelling it to a top speed of 209 kilometers per hour. It's a perfect blend of efficiency and exhilaration. Sliding ragtops. Imagine having a car roof that's larger than life itself, giving you the feel of a convertible without breaking the bank. Some folks even refer to them as cheap convertibles, but don't let that fool you. These sliding ragtops are all about affordable luxury. Now, you might be wondering just how big these roofs can get. Well, picture this. There are options out there that stretch a whopping 102 by 305 centimeters. But if you're after a more compact yet stylish option, consider the Cadillac Fleetwood Lowrider, made famous in the movies. Its sliding ragtop spans a comfortable 112 by 140 centimeters, giving you just the right amount of open-air freedom. The entire setup, not to mention the installation costs, can easily set you back around $700 or more. Magna ZG Lounger. This incredible innovation is designed to fit seamlessly into both massive SUVs and compact cars, thanks to its ingenious adjustability. With a remarkable 40-degree inclination and a zero-gravity position, this seat is engineered to distribute your body's weight evenly and relieve pressure on your back. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or just stuck in traffic, the Magna ZG Lounger has got your back, literally. But wait, there's more. 3 preset modes cater to your every need, whether it's driving, catching up on your reading, or sneaking in a power nap during a pit stop. And for those moments when you want to kick back and relax, the final mode even includes a built-in footrest, pure bliss. Robosense Lidar. Lidar, a technology that has garnered immense popularity, is advancing to new frontiers thanks to innovations from Robosense, the world's premier supplier of lidar systems. One standout feature of their LiDAR systems is exemplified in the Ruby Plus versions, an extraordinary measurement precision with an accuracy level of plus or minus 2 centimeters. These LiDARs redefine perception with an exceptional range of up to 240 meters, providing an unparalleled and detailed view of the surroundings. But there's more to the story. Robosense lidars are engineered for efficiency, consuming 33% less power and boasting a 50% reduction in weight and volume compared to the previous generation. What truly sets these lidars apart is their ability to offer a complete 360-degree view of the environment, providing comprehensive situational awareness. Even in challenging conditions, such as icy weather, these lidars continue to function seamlessly, ensuring safety and reliability. Before we explore the next batch of intriguing innovations, may I kindly request that you take a moment to express your support? Please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and activating the notification bell. Now, let's continue our journey. Rubitracks. What sets it apart is its reputation as one of the simplest and most user-friendly systems on the market. In fact, for the majority of cars, all it takes are minor adjustments to get this system up and running. While the initial setup takes a day, any further tweaks you might need can be accomplished in just an hour. That means you can get back to enjoying your Rubitracks equipped vehicle in no time. The tracks are available in two sizes, measuring either 122 or 142 centimeters in length, both boasting a substantial width of 38 centimeters. This ensures that you've got the right fit for your needs, whether you're tackling rugged terrain or navigating through challenging conditions. But wait, there's more. When you invest in Rubitracks, you don't just get the tracks themselves. Starting at just $12,000, your purchase also includes a unique mounting kit, ensuring that you have everything you need to get started on your adventure. Active Aerodynamics. At the prestigious CES 2023 exhibition, Canada left everyone in awe by unveiling revolutionary aerodynamic technology crafted from cutting-edge thermoplastic materials, and it's capable of changing its shape on the fly. This groundbreaking technology, known as morphing surfaces, is poised to be a game-changer for electric vehicles. Why is it so crucial, you ask? Well, imagine this: just by incorporating this innovation into the design, something as simple as the bumper alone can reduce drag by an astonishing 10%. That seemingly small change can translate into an electric vehicle going tens of kilometers farther on a single charge. Now, if you've been following the electric vehicle scene, you probably know that one of the major hurdles to their widespread adoption is the concern about their limited range on a single charge. That's where technologies like Active Aerodynamics come into play. By combining innovations such as enhanced traction control with components that use morphing surface technology, we unlock a world of possibilities. Mirroreye. Traditional rearview mirrors are a thing of the past with Mirroreye. Instead, a sophisticated system of cameras takes the stage, providing drivers with a wealth of information and an enhanced view of their surroundings. The real magic happens on two expansive 12.3-inch monitors, which can even be split-screened for added convenience. The high-definition image quality displayed on these screens provides drivers with crystal-clear visuals of their surroundings. These cameras are built to withstand the harshest conditions, boasting a robust 50 G shock and vibration resistance rating. They can even endure extreme temperatures, ranging from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius, ensuring that they're always ready to perform. One of the most impressive features is the automatic panning function. When drivers initiate a turn or shift into reverse, Mirroreye responds by adjusting the view, providing a dynamic and better perspective of the road, making maneuvers safer and more precise. EV West Conversion Kit. An innovative American company has developed conversion kits that can transform your conventional internal combustion engine car into a sleek, electric powerhouse. Let's take the iconic Porsche 911, for example. With the EV West Conversion Kit, you can give your classic Porsche a futuristic electric makeover for just $12,000. This kit includes everything you need to make the transition, except for the batteries. You'll get a robust 130 horsepower electric engine, a state-of-the-art charging system, a programmable controller, and a whole lot more. But here's the best part: you're not locked into a one-size-fits-all solution. The EV West Conversion Kit offers you the freedom to customize your electric conversion journey. You can choose from a range of options, including Tesla motors and drives, to fine-tune your ride to perfection. Ramsmobile. This is a unique foundation, a chassis crafted from a blend of carbon fiber and titanium. This ingenious construction makes it not just sturdy but incredibly lightweight, with variants weighing between 1.5 to 2.7 tons. In fact, the Ramsmobile team proudly claims that it's the lightest version in its class. Now, let's talk power. The Proteus RMX2 offers an array of engine options, ranging from 1,000 to a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower, available in diesel, electric, and gasoline configurations. This means you can customize your ride to match your performance preferences and environmental values. But what truly sets the Proteus RMX2 apart is the world of customization it offers. From luxurious hookahs to opulent gold trim and even rugged Kevlar reinforcements, the Ramsmobile team allows you to make your vehicle uniquely yours. Now, brace yourself for the most jaw-dropping feature, the retractable track with a hydraulic or electric motor. This innovation is a game-changer, allowing the Proteus RMX2 to conquer steep hills with ease, tackling gradients as steep as a mind-boggling 63 degrees. As we wrap up this incredible journey through automotive innovation, I'm curious to know, Which of these inventions impressed you the most, and how do you envision them shaping the future of driving? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates on the horizon.